Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make GIF using Camtasia Studio. In our timeline, we already added a sample video. If you want to make GIF with this little portion, then split it and delete the unwanted portion of the video clip. We want to make this video as a GIF. To do this, click on the video clip and click on share. Our production wizard window pop up. From here we select custom production settings. Then click on next and select GIF animation file and hit the click next. As a frame rate, we select automatic and enable retarding and hit on next. Our current video resolution is 1920 by 1080. We can customize this resolution from here. By default, we choose the current one, then hit next. And here we can add watermark in GIF file. You simply enable this and you see the preview here, and just simply select your watermark and then click OK. We don't add watermark in this example. Now click on next. Then choose your destination folder of GIF. We select desktop. Now click on finish. Now click finish. Here you see under untitled project folder we see our GIF. Let's play the GIF now. So guys, in this way we can easily create GIF using Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.